As temperatures continue to rise, health officials are reminding everyone about how quickly they can experience a medical emergency if they aren't careful. In Flint, the city is opening cooling centers to provide residents with places to cool off. Mid-Michigan Now's Deshaun Johnson continues our team coverage with more on those cooling centers and what a doctor recommends for staying safe in extreme heat.
With dangerous heat settling in over mid-Michigan, many people are trying to beat that heat by staying inside with air conditioning, but not everyone is that fortunate.
A lot of residents will be out in the heat, especially homeless residents or residents without air in their home.
Flint Public Health Manager Shebra Ward says that's why the city is opening cooling centers to give residents safe places to escape the dangerous temperatures.
Knowing we have a heat index, the city wants to be proactive, so we have 4 locations where residents can come and cool off during the day and also grab a snack.
The centers will be available for anyone needing relief from the heat. Health experts say that while some age groups can be more susceptible to the heat, even healthy adults can start to feel overwhelmed in these conditions.
It can be very dangerous. The effects are kind of on a spectrum, so it can be early on just simple things like I feel hot or I feel really thirsty. Then it progressed to feeling weak.
Dr. Michael Safa is an emergency physician at Hurley Medical Center. He says when temperatures get high, the effects can quickly go from moderate to dangerous.
And then it can get really bad where you start to get confused and a little bit more lethargic, you stop sweating, and that's the extreme end of the spectrum where we see things like heat stroke.
Safa says besides cooling centers, there are many ways for people to stay safe.
Stay out of the sun during the hottest times of the day, wear loose-fitting clothing, wear light-colored clothes too, make sure we're drinking plenty of water.
He also adds that if you've tried these tips and are still feeling heat effects, especially the more extreme ones, then it's probably time to get to a doctor.
If you've done the things that you were supposed to do to kind of cool off and it's been 20, 30 minutes and you're still feeling that way, it's probably time at that point to seek medical attention.
With more expected hot weather on the way, officials say now is the time to come up with a plan, whether that's finding your nearest cooling center or just simply staying hydrated. If you'd like more information and tips on how to stay safe during this hot weather, you can head to our website, midmichigannow.com. Reporting in Flint, Deshaun Johnson, Mid-Michigan Now.